Go to cltexam.com. Then on the top right side, you're going to see sign in, sign up. Click that. And you're going to pick the tab that says sign up, put in the email that you check the most and a password you will remember. Next, you are going to click for the verification email, go to your email, verify your email, and then you're going to click finish it under profile completion. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, your parent's name and email, and parent phone. If you don't want to put your parents, you could list your own. Then address, put in your address. It should autofill your address information, and click your own home, of course. Then go over to school and performance. I'm filling this out for Ridge. So public school, we are in United States, school state Florida, school city is going to be Davenport, and then it will fill out the part for Ridge Community High School. If you're somewhere else, then put your information as you see fit. Over on the other column, you can fill those out or not. The high school graduating class is required. You don't have to fill out your GPA, ACT, SAT, all that information unless you want to. College interest, you can put undecided if you don't know what you're going to major in or where you're going. If you want to fill out a college you're interested in, then go ahead. That might help you get some information about them. It might help you get a scholarship grant, etc. if you do really well on the test. Additional information, again, this is optional. The religion one's kind of weird when you're doing something for school, but there are some religious organizations and schools who might be interested in your scores. So again, that is completely up to you. Then click register for test, CLT. Do not pick one of the ones with numbers on it, just the regular CLT if you're trying to use this for algebra or ELA EOCs. The test date of your choosing, it will also tell you when that payment's going to be due. You can go to make payment or you can click shopping cart. If you have a discount code, go ahead and enter it and hit apply my code. It will save it in there for you. If you return at another date to actually pay, you will have to use a credit or debit card in order to pay. Subscribe and follow on all platforms at OEN Sandy, Math Along. We currently have Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and it seems we have a TikTok in the works. Next video you should watch is the financial assistance request form if you need financial assistance, and that can give you up to 75% off. Also subscribe, especially YouTube. I post videos of CLT questions, of practice questions, and how to go through and do those. If you math along with me and OE, that will significantly improve your chances of passing the CLT. Thank you.